Hey everybody, welcome back. Sorry about the long spans of time between posts, but work has taken up a lot of my time. And if I haven't been working, it's either been raining or it's been so hot out, I haven't felt like wanting to work on anything. I've got a whole slew of stuff I gotta get caught up on. Gotta finish a bunch of things. But today I got to do some work on this guy. This is a 1979 Case 580C backhoe with extend hoe, and somewhere up here on the engine as you guys may be able to see or tell, there's a leak somewhere. So I don't know if it's coming from the valve cover gasket, the head gasket, the exhaust manifold, or all of the above. So we're gonna get this guy cleaned up and see what exactly is going on here. Now, a while ago I had Super Clean contact me asking me if I would be interested in trying some of their products out. So with the weather the way it was, either raining non-stop or it's been 90 plus degrees with 80% plus humidity, finally got a decent day that I can survive working outside for a little bit. So we're gonna give this stuff a try, see how it goes. I've never used it before, and there's enough caked on oil and grease on this thing that will make a good determination of it. Directions, warnings, all the good stuff, right? Look at that, just spraying it on there. It's already taken some of the grime off. All right, let's go over to the other side. This side's a little bit better, but not by much. There's no set time to let this product sit on the directions or the instructions of it. So I'm going to give it probably about 5 or 10 minutes. Let it soak in, and then we'll hit it with the power washer. I've got a 2800 PSI 2.3 gallon per minute power washer. So it's nothing stellar, but it works alright for what it is. So we'll see how that takes it off. Alright guys, we're back. I power washed my truck while I was waiting. Just got done giving this a second spray down of Super Clean. More's better, right? So here's what it looks like. I'm using a 15 degree spray tip in my power washer. So let's give this stuff a try and see what happens. Well guys, there it is. This is the cleaner of the two sides. I end up shutting the camera off because I'll only watch so much power washing. And you really can't get any good shots of what I was washing anyways. So here's the side I was concerned about. Actually tell what color the valve cover was. Hopefully I can figure out what's leaking. Get that taken care of before it becomes too much of a problem. Now the one thing I would like to commend Super Clean on is that they are actually reaching out to channels that have very, very low subscriber count, like 1,000 or less. You know, we're not sponsored by anybody. We're not getting money from YouTube or from sponsors. You know, so it's kind of nice to see a company that size reaching out to people who aren't getting paid to give a review of a product. It's actually rather refreshing. And this is an honest review. I've been more than happy with it. It's performed to my expectations, and I can't complain. So, good on you, Super Clean. I got some other videos to edit, and I got some more to make. So, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time.